This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable auto start on the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. To enable or disable auto start on the LibreWolf browser, it's very easy to do. Say that your web browser is automatically starting when your computer starts up and you don't want it to, or if you want your browser to automatically start when your computer does. The way to do that, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, I am on the General tab, and right up top here, Startup. The second thing down, open LibreWolf automatically when your computer starts up. If this box is checked, the browser will automatically start when your computer starts. If it is unchecked, it will not automatically start. That is how to enable or disable auto start on the LibreWolf web browser. Thanks for watching.